Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to organize your links. So as YouTubers and anyone online, we have a lot of links. So the website to organize all of our links is called linktr.ee. So if you search that, you will find Linktree. Now, and you can also see how many views you get on your links. I haven't got the pro version, but if you get the pro version, you can get lots of analytics. So how does it work? Let's say, for example, you want to put your YouTube channel in. YouTube. So we've got our YouTube, we go across to our YouTube, get that, and we whack it in here like that, and you click green, and then over here it will pop up personalized link tree. So for mine it's this, and I copy that here, and then you could go to YouTube, and if you want to put your links in the top, then you just go to customize channel, and you can write down here something like all your custom links. So you could say, let's go down here, this is just an example, you can put in all important links. Important, all important links. Then you want to put your link like that. Done. Now if we click on all important links, let's go across to YouTube now. Let's just go back to normal view. Sorry, we've got a lot of tabs. Click on videos. So someone's coming to your YouTube channel now. Let the page just load. My Wi-Fi's a bit slow. And look, we've got all important links. Click on that. Then they could go to your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all your social medias, courses, if you sell courses, websites, referral links, and you can put it all on one link tree. That's it from this video, but please subscribe for more videos just like this and YouTube related tricks, tips and advice on how to increase your YouTube subscribers and YouTube views. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on this in the comments below, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.